In this video, you will learn about figures on the same base and between same parallel. See here two quadrilateral. Number one is a trapezium ABCD and other is the parallelogram CDEF. In this figure, you see both trapezium and parallelogram lie on the same base CD, but not in same parallel AB parallel EF. These AB and EF both are the difference. So these are not lie on the same base and between same parallel. Also from figure 2, PQRS parallelogram or MNRS second parallelogram both lie on same base but not in same parallel. In third figure, triangle ABC and triangle BCD lie on same base BC but not in same parallel AD. This fourth figure, a triangle PCD and parallelogram ABCD lies on same base CD but not in same parallel. In this, now look these following figures, ABCD trapezium and CDEF parallelogram both are lie on the same base CD and between CD parallel to AF. This is correct figure which are lie on the same base and between same parallel. In this figure also, PQRS parallelogram and MNRS parallelogram, both parallelogram lie on same base RS and between RS parallel PN. Further third figure, ABC and DBC lie on the same base BC and between BC parallel to L. Okay, इसका नाम AD का L दे दिया. In fourth figure, ABCD and PCD, a parallelogram and a triangle lies on the same base and between same parallel. But in these three figures, triangle PQR and triangle DQR not lies on the same parallel but lies on the same base. In this figure, two parallelogram lies on the same base but not in same parallel. This parallelogram neither lies on the same base but not in same parallel. Okay. In this figure, this triangle ABC and triangle BED both are lies between same parallel but not same base. Similarly, triangle ABC and parallelogram PQRS lies between same parallel but not in the same base. Now we have to comes on exercise 9.1 and in this question exercise 9.1 question number 1, you see the question 1 is ask which of the following figure lie on the same base and between same parallel. In each case, in such case, write the common base and two parallels. तो ये फर्स्ट फिगर जो है, इस फर्स्ट फिगर में आप ये देख रहे हो ABCD, ABCD ये ट्रापेजियम है और इस पे DPC ये ट्रायंगल है. दिस हियर ट्रायंगल DPC and trapezium ABCD lies on the same base and between same parallel. Answer. And same base, that is the CD, and same parallel CD parallel AB. Okay. The question number 2 to 6, that is the homework for you. Okay. Further, we have to post theorem related to same base and between same parallels of polygonal figure. Thank you.